When installing new bus duct in an existing building, especially in a location like New Jersey, it's crucial to understand and adhere to seismic requirements. These requirements are primarily found within building codes and standards. The International Building Code, or IC, is a key resource. Specifically, Chapter 16 of the IBC, titled Structural Design, provides essential information. New Jersey adopts the New Jersey State Uniform Construction Code, NJUC, and Chapter 5 of the NJUCC, which is based on the IBC, addresses structural design requirements. For specific seismic considerations, refer to IBC Section 1605.2. This section mandates seismic design for all new non-structural components, which includes electrical equipment in seismic design categories C, D, E, and F. IBC Table 1605.2 further specifies seismic performance requirements for electrical equipment, and these requirements are based on both the seismic design category and the occupancy of the building. Seismic design categories are assigned to buildings based on their location and the potential for seismic activity. To determine the specific seismic design category for a building in New Jersey, consult IBC Section 1613. It is also very important to consider local building code amendments. Always check with the local building department to determine if any amendments to the IBC or the NJUCC have been adopted. These amendments may have a direct impact on seismic requirements for your specific project. Moreover, manufacturer's specifications play a very vital role. Make sure to strictly follow the manufacturer's specifications for seismic design and the proper installation of the bus duct. These specifications often incorporate seismic considerations and provide guidance on ensuring the system's structural integrity during seismic events. In addition, consider obtaining an engineering evaluation. It is advisable to consult with a qualified structural engineer to evaluate the specific seismic risks and the design requirements for the bus duct installation. A structural engineer can provide calculations and recommendations to ensure compliance with all applicable codes and standards. In summary, firstly, consult the International Building Code, specifically Chapter 16 on structural design. Secondly, review the New Jersey State Uniform Construction Code, Chapter 5, as it's based on the IBC. Thirdly, examine IBC Section 1605.2, which mandates seismic design for non-structural components in certain seismic design categories. Fourthly, check IBC Table 1605.2 for performance requirements. Fifthly, determine the seismic design category for your building using IBC Section 1613. Sixthly, check with the local building department for any amendments to the IBC or NJUCC. Seventhly, adhere to the manufacturer's specifications for seismic design and installation. And eighthly, consider consulting with a structural engineer for an evaluation. Additional resources to consult include the International Code Council website at the New Jersey Department of Community Affairs website at and IEEE Standard 600, Standard for Electric Motors and Generators, accessible at